Fresh Products is pleased to introduce a better angle on splash prevention, the Slant7 Screen. Quite simply, the Slant Screen is the urinal screen that offers the best performance for its price. The Slant7 packs a lot of innovation into one urinal screen. It uniquely offers the best splash prevention, the highest fragrance load of any 30-day screen. Its powerful, consistent fragrance release keeps bathrooms smelling fresh over the whole 30 days, which no competitive screen can match. And it's sold in single packs, offering greater convenience and ensuring that every screen stays fresh with zero waste. Let's face it, splashback is a reality, resulting in urine that gets on users' pants and shoes. What's worse is that urine can be tracked throughout your facility. The Slant Screen's patented design features double-sided, slanted fingers positioned at the perfect angle to diffuse and deflect urine, keeping urine where it belongs. In a side-by-side laboratory test, competitor urinal screens simply do not compare to the Slant Screen. It's very clear. With Slant Screen's 99% splash prevention, you can be 100% sure that you will have a cleaner facility delivering a better user experience. Slant, a better angle on splash prevention. The best splash prevention, the most powerful, consistent fragrant release, it's the urinal screen with the best performance for the price. Only from Fresh Products.